Hey boots, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Oh my gosh, it's been like what, a month? I haven't sat down and made a video in forever. But I want to get right into it because we're going to talk about the title and I don't want you guys to wait long. So if you're interested, keep watching. Yeah. So this is like, I filmed one of these videos before where I've said I'm back. Oh my God, where have I been? Quitting YouTube, I'm back. And in all these videos, I've kind of explained why I've been on such a long hiatus and where I've been and what's been going on and where my mind is at. In my most recent I'm back video or where I've been video, I explained that YouTube just wasn't the same for me and it just wasn't the same period. And I didn't really enjoy YouTube anymore. And that's true. In my past live videos, I've always talked about like, you guys have always asked me like, Nee, you had this new foundation, or Nee, you got any new palettes? And I've always made very well clear like, look y'all, that's not me. You know, I'm not one of them. I'm not hyped up over a palette. I don't spend my money on a palette. I work with what I got. I make it work and call it a day. I've always expressed that. And I think at this point in my life, I'm growing. I've been growing. Like, I'm grown, y'all. I'm 24, you know. I started YouTube in high school. In my 12th grade year, I was like 18. I've been on YouTube for a very long time. One of my main purposes of YouTube, I just wanted to come on and teach you guys how to do makeup because I was learning myself. And I was like, well, shit, I'm learning. They can learn with me. I want to teach them. I want to teach them all that I've learned. And I did that. I taught you guys everything that I learned. But after a while, I noticed that, you know, I don't want to teach this. I don't want to show you how I got this. That doesn't mean anything to me. I honestly felt like, or I feel like I'm such a great teacher. I taught you guys how to do makeup 101, the basics of foundation application, highlight and contouring, eyelashes. I taught you guys all of that. And even to this day, these videos, and I'll have some coming up here, these videos still get comments to this day. If you go look at the comments, you go refresh it 2 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 1 day ago. These videos are old and the comments are still active. And they say the same, girl, you taught me so much. Oh my God, you're the only one that could break it down like this. Thank you so much for this video. And I feel like that part of my life has been fulfilled. Like, I taught you guys, you know? I taught you. There's nothing more that I need to teach you. To me, this becomes repetitive. Oh, I came up with a different eye look. You know, my face is the same. My products are the same. My eyes are just different. My lips are just different. You know what I mean? Like, it just becomes repetitive to me. And to me, it's like, there's more to me than just this. Listen to me, and you may not believe me, but I'm not in makeup all day. If you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, all them, girl, I'm t-shirt, bonnet. I'm looking the fuck terrible. Good to me. But you know, that's me. This is just something that it's nice to do. I like to do here and there, but it doesn't really define me. To fashion, oh my God, a lot of my followers come from the plus size community because what did I do? I taught you how to wear your shape. I taught you how to style what looks good, you know. Granted, I don't have too many fashion videos, but the ones that I put out has great substance. You know what I mean? Like, you've learned so much from it. But to be honest, y'all, I wear the same shit. Have I been shopping for myself? No. That doesn't mean too much to me. It doesn't move me. Makeup, hair, fashion, that's not really me. I didn't even join YouTube for that. I joined YouTube to teach, you know. And I realized that I still want to teach. But I don't want to teach this anymore. That's not what it is. Let me tell you something. At one point, and you can believe me or not, I had got offered to do a CoverGirl ad. You guys ever be on YouTube and you see these like CoverGirl ads, and it's featuring like these big YouTubers, and it's like 30 seconds, and they showing you how to do an eye makeup. Sometimes like a minute. They showing you how to do a look, or featuring CoverGirl products, putting it on. I got offered to fly to New York to record one of those ads. On that list, it was like maybe like 5 people. You know who else was on that list with me? Jackie Aina. What? NeneTanae? Like, one, my views don't even show. Like, how am I going to help you? But it was something that the producers and CoverGirl saw in me that they wanted. We need her. And I turned it down. And you might be thinking, Nene, what? I turned it down. You know who got it? Jackie Aina. Which is great. Like, she should have got it. Like, why am I even on this list? You know, why? But the reason why I turned it down was because, as I've always expressed, that's not a passion of mine. I knew I was going to fly out to New York. This is going to be such a great experience. They were going to want me to do this look and put it on. And then from there, I probably could have got more opportunities. And I could have made some money. And this could have went great. But that wasn't the direction I wanted my life to go in. I'm more than just makeup. That's not a passion. That opportunity should have been for somebody who wanted that to be their life, you know? I didn't want that to be my life. And that's why I turned it down. A lot of my friends and people I know, what? Why would you turn that down? Why would I not? You know, to me, it's not about the fame. And it's not about the money that I could make. That means shit to me if I ain't happy. And I knew that was not going to make me happy. Yeah, I know how to teach them how to put it on. I have a great personality. Yeah, but okay. You know, that's how I looked at that. And I got offered that twice. And I turned it down. I don't feel bad for turning it down. I'm so happy because it wasn't something it's not something I want to do. How many times have you guys been in my live and I've just been like, girl, look, makeup not my passion. Makeup not my passion. Makeup not something I love to do. It's just something I learned how to do. I know how to do, and I might be good at it. But it's not something that I'm like so on. I got tired of coming on the camera with a popping ass look, and I felt like I had to film it, you know. I know they want to see it. It became something that I just was doing because it was the expectation of me. It wasn't something that I was doing because I enjoyed doing. I enjoyed the teaching aspect, but that just became so repetitive. To be honest, I'm a talker, you know. I love to inspire people. I love to uplift people. I love to encourage people, yo. I love the interaction of just me and people. My girlfriend said something to me before, more recently. She said, Nene, everywhere you go, people love you. Like, everywhere you go, you meeting people and you talking to them and they like, damn, let's invite her back out. Or damn, I really like you. Or you meeting people and by the time I'm done, they walk out crying and they like, oh my God, this girl is heaven sent. That's just in person. She said to me, imagine the people that you could reach online. And I sat here and I thought about it. I said, damn, she makes so much sense. I hit 100,000 K on my channel and it was just like, wow, 100,000 people followed me, not watch me, but follow me. From then, I'm at 120,000, 19,000. I'm sitting here like, why do people keep subscribing to me and I'm not even putting out videos? Why? But it's that factor that it's something in me that you like. Let me tell you something. You can't ever say that you've clicked on one of my videos and you have not learned one thing from it. Every video that I put out, I make sure it's of substance. Whatever I say out my mouth is of substance. Because that's what people hear. You know? People hear that. Whatever I say out my mouth is a representation of me. And it means a lot when I can say something and people say, damn, I learned that. Yo, Nee, you speaking some real shit. Oh my God, you're so relatable. That's me. I love that. This is me. I'm a talker, honey. I will talk. I will ask you questions because I learn so much through people. But I love interaction. I love understanding people. I'm so empathetic. I'm relatable. Knowing that about myself, I just knew, like, you need to be, you're a teacher. You are somebody that a lot of people look up to. And it's something I've known, but as I've gotten older, you just learn more. Your mind becomes wiser. Your mind becomes mature, more mature. I love that I can sit here and I could come and people could say, damn, Nee, you really opened my mind to something else. You showed me a new way to think about that. Damn, Nee, you so relatable. Damn, Nee, you saying how I feel right now. Oh my gosh, Nee, like, I feel your pain. Yo, that means so much. Because I can be myself and connect with other motherfuckers that can just see me. I love that. I don't sit in front of a camera and I just put on a facade of who I am. No. What? That doesn't benefit me. That hurts only my viewers. Why would I want to hurt you? So I just came to the realization that, listen, your mind is growing. You're becoming the person that you want to become. Take it there. When I first brought Where's My Tea back in that video, what did I say to you guys? I said, listen, I'm doing things a little different. I'm a different person. So if you expect Where's My Tea to be like, see, that's not how you do it. What you do is this and oh my God, why would you? The judgment. I was so young. Granted, I was spitting some good shit, but you could see when I look back on it, sometimes I look at my Where's My Teas and I be like, oh, Nee, you could have said that a little better. Or damn, Nee, not everybody thinks like that. That's me critiquing myself. That doesn't mean I was bad, but it just shows me the maturity, yo. It just shows me the person that I'm becoming. I tell you guys, I think in my last video, or no, I think it was in my vlog, I was like, y'all, to me, I'm so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. I look at myself and I self-reflect and I'm like, damn, you are becoming the ultimate you. Only you can decide who you want to be. So I've decided who I want to be and what I want to embrace and who I really am. And just me seeing that, it's like, damn, man, I be so proud of myself. Who sits back and say, I'm so proud of myself? Who sit back and pick out their strengths and really like say what they like about themselves? And that's something I want to encourage people to do. There's so much knowledge or wisdom that I have that I feel like I want other people to have. Listen, I'm a person of like, energy is everything to me. I carry I carry such this strong aura of positiveness. When people come around me, they feel so comfortable. I've noticed that about myself. That's just me being me. But if you look at my comment section, it's always something positive. If you talk to the people around me, it's always something positive, That's me. Like, I remember my girlfriend once saying, like, damn, you always find a positive in everything. And I'm sitting here like, well, why the fuck not? But then I had to realize, you know what? A lot of people don't do that. And sometimes that's where we can go a little wrong. When things go bad, we always think of the worst. We always think of the negative. And I always tell people, if you could sit here and think of the negative, then you have to think of the positive. If you can convince yourself of something bad, then why can't you convince yourself of something good? It's like we always go to the worst extreme. Why not look at the other side of things? Why not consider the good in things? So that's just me, and that's one thing I would love to teach people and show people and help people to understand and open your mind. Listen, I don't want you to be like me. I want you to be the best fucking you there are. Or the best you that you can be. I'm messing up my words, but you get what I'm saying. A lot of you guys follow me because I'm relatable. Because you see something in me that you've seen in yourself, or you see in yourself, or something in me that you just really fucking like, It's not the makeup. A lot of times it's like, yo, your voice is so soothing, or damn, you make so much sense, or yo, Nene, you open my mind to something else. Like, wow, I love your stance on this. It's like, good. I like when I could give that effect on people, because it shows me that, see, you got some great in you. There's great people in the world. And I feel like, why can't I put great into the world? You get me? Like, why can't I bring that out of someone? I love just talking to people. I love just having conversations. I love making people feel good. I love understanding people. So I say that to say, like, my channel, I don't want to throw it away. I have 119,000 people who just fucking click subscribe. Does that make sense to you? Not saying 119,000 people watch me, no. But those people just click subscribe. That's mind blowing to me. For somebody who's just like you, the only difference, there's many differences in us, but one of the obvious differences is that I sit in front of a camera, edit a video, and put it out on a platform. But I'm still human. You know, I'm still me. And the fact that I could reach so many people, it's like, damn. There's so much more that I could give and I could talk about. I'm more than this, just this, y'all. I'm more than just this. And it's not where I want to go. It's not fun. I taught you already. I taught you. Let me teach you some more about something else. Something different. You know? So that's I was kind of discouraged in putting this video up. I'm like, damn, people gonna be like, yo, you backing out. I subscribe to you for makeup. And it's like, wait a minute, Nee. Honestly, that was the devil just trying to deter my thinking. I'm like, wait a minute. There's so many people who respect you. There's so many people who just love when you sit and talk. What about them? There's people who subscribe to you for makeup, but even watch your other videos and learn more about you and learn that they like these things from you, you know, besides makeup. So instead of me thinking of what could go wrong, again, I'm like, this could go right. And I always tell myself it can go right. There's some right in something. And that's just how I am. So I hope that you guys can receive this video and understand. And if I disappointed somebody, or if you feel like, oh, well, I don't want to sit here and listen to you talk. Listen, boo, I feel you. I'm glad that I did my part. I'm glad that I can help you, you know. I'm glad that I taught you. As long as I fulfilled that, I'm happy. So I thank you guys so much. I really do. And I hope that you guys can understand that I'm just maturing. I'm just leveling. I'm becoming the best me that I want to become. And I want to take my channel in that direction with me. And I hope that you guys can understand it and respect it and enjoy it. I can't tell you what my first video is going to be. I'm still praying on it. But it'll be of substance, as they all are. And you'll learn something, as you always do. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm sitting here thinking like, damn, I mean, what do I say? But anyways, I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boots. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.